So let's talk about the media types for digital advertisers. This is just going to be a quick overview of paid, owed, and earned media. All right. So you might be wondering, what are the types of media if you don't know already? And it's pretty simple. There are three types of media. There's paid, owed, and earned media, and they all play a unique role in building awareness as well as driving results. So let's start first with paid media. Paid media is any form of space that you would pay for. So any form of media space that you would pay for to reach an audience. So for example, that can be digital ads like paid search and paid social, which is what this course is specializing in or main focus in. Another form of paid media is billboards, TV ads, and connected TV or CTV. So you already know that our core focus for this course is paid media. That is the whole goal for you to get a job in paid media, more specifically either in paid search or paid social or CTV, or, if you work for an agency like I do, then you, like, let's say if you work for an agency that has all three, like paid search, paid social, and CTV, then, there you have it. But that is what paid media is. Next, we have owned media. So owned media is the media's channel that you control and that you own directly. So think about it like an email list, website, blogs, social media followers. So this is valuable because you can reach audiences without external algorithm or payment. So consider really own media your most valuable type of media, since it builds trust and can't easily be taken away. Okay, so just think about that, like that would be like your fan list. All right, and then earned media. So earned media is exposure gained through third party or external platforms. So that could be guest appearances on podcasts, talk show interviews, mentions in newsletters, organic posts from customers or influences. So this really provides credibility and extended reach. Hey guys, I hope that you're enjoying the course so far and that you're getting a lot of good, valuable information. I just want to let you know that I am coming out with a school community, and by the time that you're watching this, it might be already there. So if you look in the description of this video, you should be able to find the school link so that you can join. You can join the program for free, and it's just a good way to build community and also get access to all the free courses and the free resources that I'm offering within my school community. So highly encourage you to check that out. You will find a lot of value in that, I promise you. So if you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up. It pushes it further in the algorithm. And, if I'm doing good so far, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? But yeah, so I'm planning on dropping more courses. Depending on when you're watching this, I should already have a Google Ads boot camp along with a Meta boot camp, aka pink print, blueprint, whatever. But all that should be already coming out. So make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, I'm also coming out with a PPC portfolio, basically teaching you how to build your portfolio, and how to add pay-per-click specific campaigns to that portfolio. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Each, but harder to secure consistently. So it could be a lot harder to secure this type of earned media. So think about it like if you had a YouTube channel and another YouTuber reached out to you that either is related to the topic that your YouTube channel is about, or kind of like a cross reference in a way, and they invite you to either come on their YouTube or do a YouTube video with you or come on their podcast, then that is a form of earned media because their following is going to be getting some type of exposure to your presence, to your content. Or another good example of this is if you had a website or a blog and you could reach out to other websites that are kind of related to your niche or kind of like a cross reference to your niche. You can reach out to them and do a guest blog post where you can write a blog for them and, you know, put some links to your whatever you have to offer to your website and give it to them, and they can put that on their blog, vice versa. Or in their blog, they can refer your blog through like a link in their article to your blog, to your website. So that's another form of media, because it pretty much helps you gain exposure, and it really helps with your credibility and extended reach. So, you know, understanding the importance and the interplay of the media types, it's really crucial. So while the focus is on paid media in this course, it's crucial to understand owned and earned media, since they interact and complement each other. Okay, so paid media again drives new audience reach, while owned media builds long-term trusted relationships and, opportunities as well. Like, let's say for example, it's like own media is your real fan base. That's your list of people, right? So let's say if Facebook or Google goes away tomorrow and you needed, or you or your client needed to or even if you do freelance, if you still needed to get, or if you I'm trying to reword this the best way. So let's say if Facebook and Google goes away, and as a business they just go away, how would that affect your business, or how would that affect your client's business? So for example, let's say if I owned a plumbing company or a plumber company, I would, if Facebook and Google went away, I would need to depend on my book of business. So who are the customers that I've been going to, that I've been serving for years, like, consistently, that is going to need my help, and how big is that list? Because that's going to really help you out. God forbid the internet goes away. Okay, so own media really fosters long-lasting relationships and trust with your audience. And also going into earned media really amplifies and helps you reach third-party credibility. Okay, so again, all of these types of media complement and enhance each other for maximum impact. So just in summary, again, they all are important, they all matter, but for this course we're going to be specifically focusing on paid media. Okay, all right.